scary.
I don't know if you'd be better to take a picture.
What happens if I die?
You won't.
Don't worry. I'll you make it done. I'll visit every day.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. You know that, right? I'm shaking.
Your papa's pal was
She's
abroad.
She's been working for you in the cabin.
Your papa's pal Courtney was abroad and he was in a golf playing golf.
Yeah.
No rain, no thunder, no nothing, and this lightning came struck right down at him.
That's pretty stupid then.
He died about a week later.
Whereabouts did he get hit?
In the head.
Oh, that's nasty.
And it came,
So scary.
and it came out of his foot.
Wait, what came out of his foot? Wait, it went in his head.
If it goes in, it has to come out.
Wait, so is lightning just like a stick that just goes in and out?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's...
Same if it can get in, you always have to keep
Oh
a
my
window
God.
open.
Wait,
You always keep a window open a wee bit because if the lightning can get in, it must be able to get out again.
it went in our room once.
Right.
In Gurney Greta, it went flash through. Did.
It didn't go in. Trust me.
What's he doing?
Checking the shadow out.
Your feet were looking a bit dodgy this and checking out the shadows and the wall.
You can't even see her. Rosie, look. Oh, there we go. It's your eyes. This is going on YouTube.
Fucking shit myself when my fucking phone went off, man. Seriously.
I started shaking.
What do you mean the phone went off?
No, I'm saying I'm Lisa when the phone went off and she phoned me. That's why I answered. I thought, what the fuck? I even said that to Boo. Lisa, at this time, like, something's wrong.
Mum, is that why you're not supposed to go out in front of lightning? So if I stood out there, I can get
I
hit.
mean, that's like me phoning you that way, won't it be something wrong?
What's wrong with trees though? Everyone says you have, if there's thunder and lightning, you have to go and duck next to a tree.
No, you don't. You stay away from the tree.
Why?
Because if the lightning hits the tree, you're squished.
What if it falls the other way?
I will make a change.
No, it wouldn't.
Can you hide under the tree if it falls? If you're not Swiss?
Right, press the button, let me back in.
It's so cold. Are you going back in now?
Look, you missed that one. It's a cracker. Is that a video you're watching? You're good.
Yeah, don't leave me out here.
Oh, come on.
Mum, no. I'm shivering. It's scary.